Many people love to eat sweets, but they aren't very healthy. Join me as I tell you about my journey modifying baking recipes so they are healthier. My issue/opportunity was to modify recipes for health benefits. My maker project was to modify selective recipes and put them in a slideshow to make an online baking book filled with my favorite recipes. Modifying recipes for health benefits is important to me because I'm interested in how to make recipes better, because it will be better for your health. I want to modify baking for health benefits so people don't have to eat full sugar in baking, but enjoy a healthier version of baking. One of my driving questions is, how would I modify the recipes while keeping the taste the same? I used a design cycle when I was making my second recipe for pumpkin muffins because the batter was dry but I didn't notice, so I had to ask myself what was wrong. When I figured it out, I added a quarter cup of milk to make it more moist. I faced many challenges along the way, but one example of a challenge I faced was baking my zucchini banana muffins. I used coconut flour instead of whole wheat flour. The coconut flour absorbed almost all the liquid. I didn't know what to do, but when I realized the batter was really dry, I added more bananas. When I tasted the batter and it tasted strongly of bananas, I added more spices like cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and vanilla. They helped a little, but not much. But at least it helped to reduce the taste of banana. I learned to trust my judgment because when I bake, I have to measure everything exactly. But before exhibition, I didn't trust myself with some ingredients, the really important ones like baking soda and baking powder, because I was worried about messing up. But now I know that messing up is a learning experience, and once I make the one mistake, I'm likely not to make it again. My thinking has changed because before exhibition, I would help my mom bake and she would take away some of the sugar. But during exhibition, I realized you can't just take away one ingredient and not replace it. Otherwise, the recipe would likely not be the same. If I could do my exhibition again, I think I would focus on just one recipe and modify it in as many different ways to find which one is the healthiest and the one that tastes the best and closest to the original recipe.